Hi guys, welcome to Financial Health and Wealth, where we educate you on the various ways to improve your life financially and to live long, healthy lives. So today, we're going to talk about 7 ways to make money online. And if you'd like to see more of this type of content, then like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know more about future videos. Let's get started. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to traditional offline routes. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking for ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online avenues to earn money. With the current world situation involving more time at home and less working hours, some of you might have some free time on your hands. There are a few online platforms, websites, and tools that can help you earn money online. Let it be noted that I'm going over these in the order of quickest cash to longest time investment. So if you choose to skip around, then that's the order. Also, I will be placing all websites mentioned in this video in the description below. First up is freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online with the internet and has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require that you create a personal listing with your details, just shows your skill sets, so that interested clients can contact you directly. Now, Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are some websites that provide freelance jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 and $1,000 through these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it's been approved by your client. This may even mean revising the work several times, unless the requirements of your clients are met. Next, we have being a virtual assistant. Doing all the corporate stuff from your home is what virtual assistants do. VAs basically work remotely with their clients and manage the aspects of their business that they're too busy to handle themselves. When you work as a virtual assistant, you can choose to work as an employee or you can set up your own business. VAs are skilled, home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrative support. Now, some of the major areas of work include making phone calls, email correspondence, internet research, data entry, scheduling appointments, editing, bookkeeping, marketing, and social media management. Becoming a VA may require some degree of training or briefing depending on your qualifications. However, if you possess good communication skills and are capable of using applications like Microsoft Office, you can just sign up on sites such as Upwork, 24/7 Virtual Assistant, Assistant Match, Freelancer, and FlexJobs. If you're multilingual, then consider language translating. Knowing a language other than English may even help you earn some extra money. There are several websites that offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arab, German, Mandarin, or any other language to and from English. For many, this can make a task rather time-consuming, and therefore they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Several websites such as Freelancer, Fiverr, and Upwork offer you a platform to be a professional translator. Those who do not have the knowledge or time to complete their projects on their own put up their work on these platforms where you can register and start bidding on translation jobs and get paid. In the US, the average salary for a translator is about $20 an hour. However, many language experts earn at least 3 times the average wage depending on their skills and area of expertise. A translator or interpreter who is also certified by the American Translator Association can make more than $66 an hour. If you have a passion for teaching, then try online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all ages across the country to provide homework help and tutoring in subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. You can sign up on websites like Care, Tudor, and Preply as an online tutor by creating a profile and listing the subjects or classes you want to teach, how much experience you have, and what your qualifications are. Some of the platforms may offer flexible and convenient time to work as an online tutor. Most platforms follow this process. They ask you to apply by filling out a simple form. after which a teaching demo will be assessed by their experts, and once selected, documentation and profile creation will be done, followed by training. Once you finish, you will be listed as a teacher and will get to start your online classes. Online tutors working on their own are typically paid around $30 per hour. This amount can increase to $50 to $60 per hour for advanced subjects such as SAT prep or calculus. The demand for online tutoring has exploded in recent years and even higher in 2020. If you're a creative type, then writing a Kindle ebook may be for you. If writing books interest you, one option you can exercise is self-publish ebooks and paperbacks with Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can reach millions of readers on Amazon doing that. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. You can earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, and other countries. You keep control of the rights, and you set your own list prices and also make changes to your books at any time. Like writing but don't want to create the Lord of the Rings? Then you need blogging. It starts with a hobby, interest, and passion, and soon blogging becomes a career option for many bloggers. There are 2 ways to start a blog. You can either create a blog through WordPress or Tumblr, which requires no investment, or go for a self-hosted blog. In the case of the latter, you will have to invest in and spend money on the domain name and server hosting space. A decent web hosting plan has an average cost of about $8 a month. That means that to start a small website, you should expect to pay about $111 a year to keep it running. Self-hosted blogs have an added advantage that allows you to customize elements and functionality of your website. You may monetize the blogs through ads, product reviews, and so on. But remember, earnings through blogging may also take a lot of time and effort. For some, it may take as long as a year to actually earn money through blogging. And of course, there's YouTube. If you're not comfortable in pinning down your thoughts through blogs and content writing, make use of your camera to create a video presentation. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos, and start monetizing them once available. Choose a category or subject that you want to make videos on and get started. But make sure it's a topic that will interest a lot of people. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can find many takers on YouTube. You have to create a YouTube channel which works on a similar model as a blog. As you make your channel popular and the number of subscribers grows, so will your earning potential. The AdSense payments you get is based on every 1,000 views, so you want to have a higher view count. Please note that unless you plan to be the next PewDiePie or Mr. Beast, this will take a while, and be prepared for the long haul. YouTube is best for people that want to share information or entertain people for possibly years with no profit. Hopefully you find that one or more of these online moneymakers works for you and that you get a jump start on increasing your cash flow from multiple income streams. Having said that, thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like and subscribe buttons to keep getting future content, and go ahead, tap that notification bell while you're at it. Enjoy the rest of your day.